Did you know 80% of car engines develop heavy grease buildup within just a few years of normal driving? That thick layer of oil, dust, and carbon not only makes your engine look terrible, but it can also trap heat and accelerate corrosion on metal parts. Most mechanics will recommend professional engine cleaning services that can cost anywhere from $50 to $200. But in Japan, many DIY car enthusiasts use surprisingly cheap techniques to clean their engine blocks for less than $1. These unusual tricks rely on simple household items rather than expensive chemicals. In this video, we're going to uncover 7 illegal Japanese tricks to clean your engine block without expensive cleaners. But be careful, because using these methods incorrectly can damage sensitive components. And stick until the end, because trick number 5 can absorb thick oil sludge from your engine block and make cleaning almost effortless. Let's dive in. Number 1. The baking soda degreasing method. One of the most popular Japanese garage tricks for cleaning engine blocks involves ordinary baking soda. According to cleaning chemistry studies, baking soda has a mild alkaline property that can break down oil molecules and neutralize acidic contaminants that accumulate inside an engine bay. Japanese DIY mechanics often mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda with warm water to create a thick cleaning paste. This paste is applied directly to greasy areas of the engine block where burnt oil and grime tend to build up over time. When gently scrubbed with a soft brush or old toothbrush, the baking soda works as a mild abrasive that lifts grease without damaging metal surfaces. Many small garage workshops report that this method can remove around 60 to 70% of surface grease on aluminum engine blocks in a single cleaning session. After a quick rinse and wipe, the metal surface often looks significantly brighter, and the cost of this entire cleaning process is usually less than $1. Number 2. Dish soap high foam degreasing technique. Another surprisingly powerful Japanese cleaning trick uses something almost everyone has in their kitchen: dish soap. High-quality dishwashing liquids are specifically designed to dissolve stubborn grease from cookware, which makes them extremely effective at breaking down engine oil residue. Automotive detailing tests show that concentrated dish soap can break down up to 90% of light grease contamination on metal surfaces when properly diluted. To perform this method, mix dish soap with warm water in a spray bottle to create a powerful foaming cleaner. When sprayed onto the engine block, the foam clings to the surface and starts dissolving oil and grime. After a few minutes, gently scrub the area using a soft detailing brush to loosen stubborn dirt trapped around bolts and metal crevices. This method works particularly well for aluminum engine blocks that tend to collect sticky oil film. Once rinsed carefully with minimal water, much of the dark residue disappears. Number 3. The vinegar oxidation removal trick. Over time, many engine blocks start to develop oxidation that makes the metal look dull and chalky. In humid climates, oxidation can form on aluminum engine parts in as little as 18 to 24 months. Japanese DIY enthusiasts often use a very simple solution to remove this oxidation: ordinary white vinegar. Vinegar contains about 5% acetic acid, which is strong enough to break down oxidation and mineral buildup, but still gentle enough for most engine metals when used carefully. Mechanics typically soak a cloth in vinegar and wipe oxidized areas of the engine block. After letting the vinegar sit for several minutes, the oxidation layer begins to loosen from the surface. A soft brush or cloth can then remove the dull residue, revealing cleaner metal underneath. Many DIY testers report that this method can restore up to 50% of the original metallic appearance on lightly oxidized aluminum parts. Number 4. The toothbrush precision cleaning method. Japanese mechanics are well known for their obsession with precision and detail, and one of their simplest tricks for engine block cleaning involves something most people throw away: an old toothbrush. A typical engine block contains dozens of small crevices, bolt heads, and casting grooves where grease and dust accumulate. Studies from automotive detailing experts show that nearly 40% of engine grime hides in tight areas that large brushes cannot reach. That's why many Japanese DIY enthusiasts rely on toothbrushes for precision cleaning. By dipping the toothbrush into a soap solution, they carefully scrub around bolts, sensors, and tight corners of the engine block. The soft bristles are strong enough to remove stubborn dirt, but gentle enough to avoid scratching aluminum surfaces. This detailed cleaning process can dramatically improve the overall appearance of the engine because small, dirty areas often make the entire engine look neglected. And since most people already have an old toothbrush at home, this trick costs virtually nothing at all. Number 5. The warm water steam cleaning trick. Another inexpensive method involves using warm water and steam to soften hardened grease. In many Japanese garages, mechanics first warm the engine slightly so that old oil deposits become softer and easier to remove. Then they use warm water, applied carefully with a cloth or spray bottle, to loosen the grime on the engine block surface. The gentle heat and moisture help dissolve thick grease that has been baked onto the metal over time. Once the residue softens, it can be wiped away with a cloth or brushed lightly using a soft cleaning brush. This trick avoids harsh chemicals and relies on temperature to break down contaminants. However, the key is using minimal water to prevent moisture from entering sensitive electrical connectors. When done carefully, warm water cleaning can remove years of surface grime from the engine block for almost no cost at all. Number 6. The toothpaste micro-polishing trick. One unusual trick used by some Japanese DIY car enthusiasts involves ordinary toothpaste. Toothpaste actually contains very fine abrasive particles designed to polish stains off teeth. These microabrasives can also remove light oxidation, grease stains, and dull residue from metal surfaces. Japanese garage hobbyists sometimes apply a small amount of toothpaste directly onto a cloth and gently rub it onto dull or stained areas of the engine block, while lightly polishing the aluminum or steel. Tests from detailing enthusiasts show that mild polishing abrasives like toothpaste can restore up to 30 to 40% of surface shine on oxidized aluminum parts. After wiping it off with a damp cloth, the metal often looks noticeably brighter and cleaner. Since a tiny amount of toothpaste is enough for this job, the entire cleaning process usually costs only a few cents. Number 7. The lemon and salt degreasing method. Another surprisingly effective trick used in some Japanese DIY garages combines lemon juice and salt. Lemon juice contains natural citric acid, which helps break down grease, oxidation, and mineral deposits on metal surfaces. When mixed with salt, it forms a slightly abrasive cleaning compound that can scrub away stubborn grime without damaging most engine metals. Many DIY mechanics cut a lemon in half, sprinkle salt onto the cut surface, and rub it gently onto greasy areas of the engine block. The acid dissolves oily buildup, while the salt helps scrub away hardened dirt. This trick works especially well on aluminum engine blocks that develop dull stains from oil residue. After the cleaning process, the surface should be wiped with a damp cloth to remove the acidic residue. Considering that lemons and salt are extremely inexpensive, this method can clean multiple areas of the engine for less than $1. Now let's discuss the mistakes you need to avoid while cleaning your engine block. While these Japanese tricks can be extremely effective, there are some critical mistakes you must avoid. According to automotive repair statistics, nearly 25% of engine bay electrical problems occur after improper cleaning. One common mistake is spraying excessive water directly onto ignition coils, sensors, or wiring connectors. Moisture trapped inside these components can cause misfires or starting problems. Another mistake is using very strong acids or industrial cleaners, which can permanently damage aluminum engine parts. It is also important to avoid cleaning an extremely hot engine because sudden temperature changes can warp or crack certain components. Finally, make sure the engine bay is completely dry before starting the vehicle again. Following these precautions ensures that cheap cleaning tricks improve your engine's appearance without creating expensive mechanical problems. As you can see, cleaning an engine block doesn't always require expensive detailing products or professional services. Many Japanese DIY mechanics rely on simple household items like baking soda, dish soap, vinegar, and basic brushes to restore the appearance of their engines. These methods cost less than $1, but can remove grease, oxidation, and grime surprisingly well. If performed carefully, these tricks can make an old engine look significantly cleaner, while saving you a lot of money.